Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through importing your email subscriber list into beehiiv using a CSV file. We'll cover how to properly format your CSV, map the columns to beehiiv's fields, and use tags for effective segmentation. This is crucial for managing and engaging your audience effectively. As of December 2025, beehiiv has made improvements to its CSV importer, allowing batch uploads of up to 100,000 subscribers at once. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is essentially a spreadsheet saved in a plain text format. This makes it easy to transfer data between different programs. In the context of beehiiv, each row in the CSV represents one subscriber, and each column represents a specific field of information about that subscriber. Here's an example of how subscriber data looks in a spreadsheet and its corresponding CSV file. Notice how the data is organized in rows and columns. Each row contains information for one subscriber, while the columns define the type of data, such as email addresses, names, or other details. beehiiv requires at least an email column in your CSV. This column must contain valid email addresses for each subscriber. Other columns like first name, last name, or tags are optional, but can provide more detailed information for segmentation. To ensure all characters are handled correctly, especially for international subscribers, your CSV file must be encoded in UTF-8 format. This encoding supports a wide range of characters, including accents, symbols, and non-English text, preventing data corruption during import. Using a properly structured and encoded CSV file guarantees that your subscriber data imports smoothly into beehiiv, allowing you to build and manage your email list effectively. During the import process, you'll map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in beehiiv. This modal window shows how to choose and map columns during import. The email field is required and must contain valid, unique email addresses. Optional fields include first name, last name, phone number, company, and up to 10 custom fields per account. Correctly mapping these fields ensures your subscriber data is accurately transferred to beehiiv. This profile shows how the mapped data appears. Tags are labels you can assign to subscribers for segmentation purposes. This allows you to categorize subscribers into groups like VIP customers or those on a free trial, making it easier to send targeted content. In your CSV file, you can include tags in two ways. Option 1 is using a single column where tags are separated by commas, such as VIP, free trial, newsletter. Option 2 is to use multiple columns in your CSV, where each column represents a different tag. This way, each column becomes a separate tag assigned to the subscriber. beehiiv supports up to 50 tags per subscriber, giving you plenty of flexibility for detailed segmentation. Additionally, you can apply tags in bulk during the import process, saving time when adding multiple subscribers. As a best practice, use descriptive and lowercase tags for consistency. For example, VP customer is better than VIP customer as it maintains uniformity across your subscriber list. Here's an example showing how tags appear in a subscriber table, with each subscriber having multiple tags like Twitter or Illustrator for easy identification and segmentation. During import, you can map CSV columns to beehiiv fields, including how tags are handled. This modal shows how to select and map tag columns for proper segmentation. Following dos and don'ts for tag creation helps maintain clean and effective segmentation. Use consistent naming as shown in these guidelines. Once imported and tagged, your subscribers appear in the dashboard, where you can use tags to create targeted newsletters and track engagement. First, access the import feature in your beehiiv dashboard. Navigate to the Subscribers section and select Import. Next, upload your CSV file. This file should include your subscriber list with proper formatting. You'll then preview your CSV data and map the columns to the correct beehiiv fields, such as email, name, and tags. Finally, confirm the column mappings and start the import. beehiiv will begin processing your subscribers. During the import, beehiiv validates your data in real time, skipping any errors and providing a detailed post-import report. Remember, as of 2025, you must include consent dates in your CSV file to comply with GDPR and CAN-SPAM regulations. Common import issues in beehiiv include invalid email formats, where emails might be missing the @ symbol or have spaces, Duplicate email addresses can also cause problems when the same email appears multiple times. Incorrect column mapping happens when CSV headers don't match beehiiv's expected fields. beehiiv's real-time validation identifies these problems during the upload process. To avoid issues, ensure your CSV file is properly formatted with UTF-8 encoding and includes all required fields like the email column. Check for duplicates before importing. If errors occur, review the post-import report provided by beehiiv. Correct any issues in your CSV file and re-import. Thanks to recent improvements, beehiiv has reduced import errors by up to 40%. beehiiv integrates with automation tools like Zapier and Make for seamless automated imports from other platforms, streamlining your workflow. Connect platforms automatically using tools like Zapier to import subscribers without manual CSV handling. beehiiv uses AI to auto-detect and suggest column mappings, recognizing fields like email or tags automatically. This reduces manual work and is part of a broader industry shift toward automation, with beehiiv's 2025 updates including machine learning for error prediction. To ensure successful imports into beehiiv, follow these best practices and compliance guidelines. First, always comply with anti-spam laws like CAN-SPAM by including a subscribed field in your CSV. This field marks which subscribers are active and helps prevent sending emails to unsubscribed users. Next, use beehiiv's deduplication feature during import. This automatically removes duplicate email addresses based on hashes and unsubscribes any rows that are flagged, keeping your list clean and compliant. As of 2025 updates, be sure to include consent dates in your CSV. This tracks when each subscriber gave permission to receive emails, which is crucial for GDPR and other privacy regulations. By following these best practices and compliance guidelines, you can seamlessly import your email subscriber list into beehiiv. Happy emailing!